Meanwhile, here in South Korea, as expected, the local bourse and the local currency regained significant ground amid news of the temporary truce between the U.S. and Iran. Our economics correspondent Kim Do-yeon reports.
Following the announcement of a ceasefire in the Middle East, the South Korean won strengthened sharply, closing at 1,476.6 to the US dollar. This is 33.61 lower than the day before after being mostly trapped above the critical 1,500 threshold in recent weeks as Operation Epic Fury prolonged and investors turned to the safe haven dollar while global oil prices surged. Domestic equities also rallied on the geopolitical de-escalation. The benchmark KOSPI spiked early trading and throughout the day went up 7% to return to the 5,800 point mark, closing at 5,872.34. The index had surrendered that level 13 trading days ago as fears of a broader war intensified. A rapid buy order influx triggered sidecar trading curves on both the KOSPI and KOSDAQ, temporarily halting program trading. Foreign investors notably bought up more than 2.4 trillion won during the session. The rise was driven by the two biggest companies on the list, with SK Hynix closing at 1,033,000 won, up 12.77% compared to the day before. Samsung Electronics, the largest company by market cap, closed at 210,500 won, surging 7.12% from the previous session. This comes a day after the tech giant announced record-breaking profit for the first quarter.
With earnings and future guidance already exceptionally strong, the resolution of this geopolitical risk has fueled expectations that the semiconductor sector can truly take off. This anticipation is contributing significantly to the surge in semiconductor stock prices today.
Global energy markets raised their recent risk premiums immediately. Both West Texas Intermediate and Brent crude futures crashed by more than 14%, falling to the mid-$90 range. Oil prices have been trading heavily above the $100 threshold since April 2nd, driven by fears of major supply disruptions in the region. Kim Do-yeon, Arirang News.